Sick of waiting 6 weeks for an appointment? Guess what? You don't have to wait to start getting answers or pay a fortune. Good morning. I'm Dr. Brian, retired physician and founder of Health Without Risk. We are living in a do-it-yourself healthcare revolution, and one of the biggest changes is the ability to order your own lab tests. Companies like Quest Diagnostics and LabCorp are offering direct-to-consumer tests, everything from a basic blood count to comprehensive health profiles. Why the shift? Well, simple. Doctor shortages, long wait times, and people like you wanting more control over your own data. This is about you becoming the CEO of your own health. For instance, Quest offers a comprehensive profile analyzing over 75 health markers, giving you a health risk score. This kind of information used to take multiple visits to piece together, and now you can get it proactively. And here's where Health Without Risk gives you an even greater advantage. While companies like Quest offer direct access, you might be surprised by the cost and the breadth of what you're getting. Let me show you a direct comparison. For a standard complete blood count or CBC, Quest charges $35. Through my direct access account with Rupa Health, that same test is only $20 or $40 if you want physician interpretation included. That's immediate savings. Or take Quest's Women's Basic Hormone Panel at $235. My Rupa Health Access gets you a robust panel for just $67 or $87 with interpretation. And Quest Comprehensive Health Profile for $391, it lacks hormone panels or advanced lipid markers. My Rupa Health Comprehensive Panel for $220 includes all of Quest tests, plus critical hormone levels, advanced lipid markers, and a fasting insulin level, all with interpretation included. Significant savings and more comprehensive data for you. But here's the science and the caution. While these tests can identify red flags early, they are not a substitute for a clinician. Remember, there's a risk of relying on information that hasn't been reviewed by a clinician. Patient involvement improves outcomes, but you may still need that expert consultant. The best practice, use these tests to gather data, but always follow up with a provider to review those results and help you determine the next steps. Taking control of your health can be empowering, and finding the right affordable tests with comprehensive data is key. But navigating the results and making informed decisions can be complex. That's why Health Without Risk exists. If you've ordered your own tests, whether through Quest, LabCorp, Rupa, or anywhere else, and feel overwhelmed by the data, don't guess. Reach out to Health Without Risk today. We'll help you translate those numbers into actionable steps and connect you with the right care. And for direct access to more affordable comprehensive lab tests like the ones I just mentioned, visit my Zap bio on the profile page and click the Rupa Health link. Like and share this video. Don't forget to follow or subscribe to Health Without Risk, where we explore options for better health where you have control. Thanks for watching. Bye.